Hi, and welcome back to Acting Ground. Today, we are planning out the peppers, onions, and garlic. So let's start with the peppers. Well, unfortunately, the weather here in Germany was more than cold, so the peppers, unfortunately, are done for now. That also means this bed will only be onions and garlic. So let's move on to the garlic. I will space the cloves roughly a fist apart, and that should be enough for some good homegrown garlic. Moving on to the onions.
Okay.
Same steps,
Onions.
over and
I know
over
we're a little late,
and over and over again. And yes, we are very late, but you know, it's better late than never.
There's the worm going on. Look at that. Dear friends, you want them in your garden, everywhere you go. Helping your plants thrive.
Now all that's left, bury the seeds. No, but now all that's left is to build Sunshine Valley, which is basically just a few sticks and a bit of plastic wrap around those sticks to slightly increase the temperature. It should increase the temperature by maybe 1 or 2 degrees around the soil area, which helps, or should have helped, the peppers and so on thrive better. The onions and the garlic are thriving in there, so I guess it did something.
This is what I'm gonna leave it as for now. I really don't mind how it looks. It doesn't really matter to me. I just want productivity. That's all I want.
And on the next episode, we will be building the tomato section and trellis. So stay tuned. And always remember, if I can grow,
For the tomato trellis.
what's stopping you?